I die.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, in this short video I would like to compare the sound of two types of boxes which have the same speakers. The bass speakers, the Tesla ARS 9604, really not bad, 165 millimeters bass speaker Tesla, and the tweeter Tesla ARS 9205.10. Both boxes produced around mid-80s. This one exactly, I have the bill, two bills for these boxes. They were bought by the previous owner in December 1985. So produced around the mid of year 1985. We have 2024. It's about 39 years old box, and this box was also produced around mid 80s. So the same age like this one, but this is bigger, as you can see. So what happens if I connect them to an amplifier and check left channel, right channel, and we'll see or we'll hear. I believe that you can hear it also on YouTube. So write me in comments which one do you prefer. Tesla 9205.10 ARS, because the ARS this ARS are signed the speaker boxes which are produced in Czech part of Czechoslovakia, in Czech Republic. The Slovakian were signed 1PF, but these both are ARS 9205, ARS 1014. So let's try it.
Down the street with your red lips and funky beat, you better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna with you till the day I die.
Right channel. Let's try next track. And last track. So let me know which sound, which type you prefer, which sound you do like more. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos you can also join my channel. Click on the join and read the conditions. You receive some perks. You can see my videos as a member first and the other. So once more, thank you.